How to sign up to Quora. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you can go ahead and simply open the Quora application or simply visit your browser and then search for Quora.com. For now, I'm going to go ahead and simply open the app, and then from here, go ahead and simply tap on Sign Up with Email. Then type in your name and enter your email as well. And once you have done that, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Next. Once you tap on Next, you'll be asked to enter a strong password. You may also be asked for your full name and to complete any CAPTCHA or bot check. After signing up, Quora will send you a verification email. You can go ahead and simply open up your inbox and then find the verification link. This step confirms your email and activates your account. And that is how you can sign up or sign in to Quora on your mobile device. That is the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned for our next upload.